उसने बिना बोले ही मुझसे बात कर ली। He spoke to me without saying a word. He spoke to me without saying a word. मैंने उससे कहा कि वह झूला झूल रहा है। I told him he was swinging. I told him he was swinging. तुम्हारी मुस्कान मेरे दिन को रौनक देती है। Your smile brightens my day. Your smiles brightens my day. उसकी बातें कभी समझ में नहीं आती। I never understand his conversation with me. I never understand his conversation with me. उसने अपनी किताबें सभी जगह बिखेरी हुई हैं। He has scattered his books everywhere. तुम्हारी बातें मेरे दिल को छू जाती है। Your words touch my heart. Your words touch my heart. उसका मुझसे मिलना मेरे लिए एक सपना बन गया है। Meeting him has become a dream for me. Meeting him has become a dream for me. वह एक किताब पढ़ने में लगा हुआ है। He is engrossed in reading a book. He is engrossed in reading a book. तुमने मेरे सवाल का जवाब क्यों नहीं दिया? Why didn't you answer my question? Why didn't you answer my question? उसने अपनी बातें बहुत ही सुधार सुधार करके कही। He said a word with a lot of corrections. He said his word with a lot of correction. मेरी माँ कहती है कि यह बर्तन धो दो। My mom says to wash the dishes. My mom says to wash the dishes. उसने मुझसे अपनी मुश्किलें साझा की। He shared his difficulties with me. He shared his difficulties with me. तुमने कितनी बार उससे मिला है? How many times have you met him? How many times have you met him? यह गाड़ी सीधी चलती है और जल्दी पहुंचाती है। This car runs straight and reaches quickly. This car runs straight and reaches quickly. मैंने उसे यह नहीं कहा कि मैं आउट हूं। I didn't tell him that I am out. I didn't tell him that I am out. वह अपनी लकड़ी के खिलौने से खेल रहा है। He is playing with his wooden toy. He is playing with his wooden toy. उसने मुझसे छुपाकर बातें कर रखी हैं। He has hidden conversation with me. He has hidden conversation with me. तुम्हारे पास इस समस्या का समाधान है क्या? Do you have a solution to this problem? Do you have a solution to this problem? मेरे पास इसका कोई समाधान नहीं है। I don't have a solution for this. I don't have a solution for this. वह रात भर सोई रही है। She slept all night. She slept all night. उसकी मुझसे नजरें मिलती ही रहती हैं। He keeps looking at me. He keeps looking at me. तुम्हारी बात मुझे हमेशा हंसी ला देती है। Your words always make me laugh. Your words always make me laugh. वह खेत में चलते चलते रह गया। He remained walking in the field. He remained walking in the field. उसने अपनी कहानी को रोमांटिक बना दिया। He made his story romantic. He made his story romantic. मैंने उसे कहा कि वह जल्दी आए। I told him to come quickly. I told him to come quickly. उसने मुझसे वह बात कहीं छुपा कर रखी है। He has hidden those things from me. He has hidden those things from me. तुमने उससे मेरे बारे में क्या बताया? What did you tell him about me? What did you tell him about me? उसने अपने दोस्तों के साथ मस्ती करते हुए रहा है। He is having fun with his friends. He is having fun with his friend. तुमने उससे कहा कि वह फिर मत आना। You told him not to come again. You told him not to come again. उसने मुझसे वह सब कुछ बोल दिया। He told me everything. He told me everything. मैंने उससे वह सवाल पूछा जिसका जवाब नहीं आया। I asked him the question to which there was no answer. I asked him the question to which there was no answer. वह मेरे साथ रहकर हमेशा मुझसे मिलते रहता है. He always meet me while staying with me. He always meets me while staying with me. उसने अपने बच्चों को सफलता की ओर बढ़ाया. He guided his children towards success. He guided his children towards success. मैंने उससे एक किताब मांगी जिसका नाम मुझे याद नहीं था. I asked him for a book whose name I couldn't remember. I asked him for a book whose name I couldn't remember. तुम्हारा वह ख्याल मेरे दिल को छू गया. Your thought touched my heart. Your thought touched my heart. उसने मेरी बातों को सुनकर हंसी आई. He laughed after hearing my words. He laughed after hearing my words. तुमने उससे मेरे बारे में क्या कहा? What did you tell him about me? What did you tell him about me? उसने मुझसे कहा कि वह अब वहीं नहीं रहा. He told me that he is not the same anymore. मैंने उससे कहा कि मुझे वह चीज चाहिए जिसका नाम मुझे याद नहीं था. I told him I need that thing whose name I couldn't remember. I told him I need that thing whose name I couldn't remember. वह अपने प्रोजेक्ट पर काम करते हुए रह गया. He remained working on his project. He remained working on his project. तुमने उससे क्यों मिलना बंद कर दिया? Why did you stop meeting him? Why did you stop meeting him? मैंने उससे कहा कि तुम यहाँ क्या कर रहे हो? I asked him why he was doing this. I asked him why he was doing this. मैंने उससे कहा कि तुम यह क्या कर रहे हो? I asked him why he was doing this. I asked him why he was doing this. उसने मुझसे कहा कि वह इस बारे में ज़्यादा सोचता नहीं. He told me that he does not think much about it. He told me that he does not think much about it.